when it comes to competition, if you ask whether competition or bad competition, there is two aspects. So if you are the businessman, then competition is bad because there is that sort of competition is called monopolistic. So monopolistic competition is nothing but I'm so sorry. Yeah, so the example for these monopolistic markets are like these drug companies. So wherein they produce medicines. So they have the license from the government to produce those drugs particular for that particular company. And if you talk about other products, so if you talk about competition is good. We as the customers, majority of the time we are the customers. So when we go into action or when we go to purchase some materials, what happens is we would want everything for cheap and best. Okay, so we have two concepts of quality and quantity. So whichever shop provides us or satisfies us with that particular need, we would run there. And the concept of all these sales, and when you as you go shopping, and when you go for all these go out to for window shopping, you would have always noticed something called sale. And so that is like a competitive market wherein they try attracting the customers such that they walk in and they are satisfied, and the company's market would enhance, or they would
Yes,
develop.
fine. Yes, good, Sam. So we have to understand what are the different types of competition first. So can anybody say what is meant by competition from your understanding? In marketing, what can be called as a competition? For example,
So
you are
it's
in a
the race for
rivalry
rise of.
between two companies.
Hmm.
A rival between two companies where they are similar products, sell the similar kind of products.
So Anjana, assume that you are in a class. Yes, yes, please wait. So Anjana, you are in the class. Okay, there are around 60 students are there. Who are all your competitors? I'm just asking question. Who are all your competitors? Assumption, the 60% are there. Assume that you know about their characteristic, their quality. Assume. Who are all your competitors? Who can be your competitor?
Should I name them?
Yes?
Should I name them?
Example,
Should
just
I
for an
name
example.
them?
Just for an example. Yes.
I think, sir, the whole class is very talented and music, and so all are my competitors.
In what?
Yeah, in presenting or in the way they talk at on the spot things. So I'm so bad in these things, but they aren't my competitors.
So your seniors are not your competitors?
With the personal branding, sir. Oh.
Yes. Anjana, whether your seniors are your competitors or not?
So they are not my batchmates, right?
So how you decide,
They have.
how you explain your competition? What is your objective in explaining? For example, if you say in academic means, I want to score the first rank. Okay, for getting the first rank, these are the people are competitors. Blindly, we cannot fix a competition, right? If you say presentation, in presentation, these are the people are competitors. Correct? If you are good in drawing, these people are a competition. The same way in the company, if you are looking for the sales, in sales, these are the people are competition. If you are looking for a profit, these are the people are competition. If you are looking for branding, these are the people are competitors. We cannot blindly say everybody is my competitor, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, first before understanding any marketing concept, first you have to think any one objective, whether you are speaking in a sales perspective or a branding perspective or some other value perspective. Profit is different, sales is different, value is different, market share is different. We have to understand. So you have to pick up any one. So for example, you are quoting with the similarity, etc. Right? So competition is a very big word. Whoever may distract me in achieving my goal, they are called as competitor. So I should know which is my goal. For example, as you said, for a Pepsi, their target may be selling 1,000 units of Pepsi that month. Who can be their competitors? So please all of you respond. I am taking the brand Pepsi in the company Pepsi. PepsiCo is the company. I am taking only one brand Pepsi. My target is to sell 1,000 cases. In the particular outlet in Kottanur, I am so specific. In one supermarket, monthly, I want to sell 1,000 cases of PepsiCo. Please analyze who can be my competitor in terms of marketing environment. Tell me.
So all the
People who like
soft drink
Coca-Cola.
So all the similar
companies
brands will be the competitors, sir. Like, for example, Thumbs Up will be there, Sprite. All those will be competitors for Pepsi.
Yes. So you are saying that all the soft drink companies are your competitor, right? Jibish.
Yes, sir. When you particularly say Pepsi, maybe all other similar related companies will be their competitors, sir.
So not only the Pepsi, it can be a Slice, it can be a Masa, it can be a 7, whatever it may be like.
All soft drinks companies will be their similar competitors.
Okay, fine. Yes, any answers? Any more answers? So for my understanding, for Pepsi, Coke is a competitor. To some extent, Bowundo is a competitor because they are called as cola drink. Pepsi is a cola drink, black color or reddish color, it have a different taste, according to me. But Jibish says, no sir, all our products are competition, which is right. Jacob,
All other products will be a competition.
all other product will be, so all other product means you are meaning that all the soft drinks is a competitor. If I am asking a question to Cheryl, can you say biscuit is a competitor to Pepsi?
It can be an indirect competition, like it won't directly affect the.
I'm asking competition, I am not asking direct, indirect, straight, left. Whether they can be a competitor or not.
So I feel it can be a competition. Maybe
How? I am looking for Pepsi. I am looking for Pepsi. How you can say that biscuit is a competitor?
What if, like, I feel the customer won't like. I mean, what if the customer doesn't want to consume?
I want Pepsi. I want Pepsi. Can the biscuit can become a competitor?
If you want Pepsi, then biscuit won't be a competition.
It won't be a competitor. Okay, I will ask Alan. Alan,
Yes, sir.
I need Pepsi. Can the apple juice, fresh juice can become a competitor?
Yeah, I think so.
How? I am looking for Pepsi, sir. Carbonated cola drink.
Then no, sir. Like,
Then no.
no, sir. It's
No.
another product, right? No.
It's not a competitor, right? Yes. So please understand. Initially I said, whoever distracting me to achieve my goal. What is my goal? My goal is to sell 1,000 units of PepsiCo. Okay? Out of 100 people, only we can say 20 to 30 people will be entering into the outlet to consume exactly Pepsi. Yes or no? Why we are consuming Pepsi? Sir, I want to consume Pepsi. Nobody feel like that. I feel thirsty. I want to refresh. I need something, right? That is our attitude. So when we enter into the outlet, only we will decide it as a soft drink. When we sitting near the table or near the rack only, then we will decide about the Pepsi. Out of 100, only 30 people will have a determined product, determined brand. Other people have, I have something to drink. At least they will consume with the drink. Yes. Assume that I enter into the hotel. I asked for the Pepsi. They said only Coke. Out of 100 people, 70 people accept Coke. 30 people will be have the loyalty. Okay. Another thing, they will say, sir, there is no Coke, there is no Pepsi. Okay, give me soda. Give me soda. Soda, local soda, 5 rupees soda, Goli soda can become a competitor to Pepsi. Okay? Even the salesman can lie. If you are accepting the soda, it can become a competitor. Then they will say, sir, there is no soft drink, sir. There is no power, sir. There is no cooling is there, sir. Can I give something else, sir? What? Tea? Coffee? I am looking for cold drink, but it is not available. So at that time, few people might be ready to have a Bowundo, sorry, irrespective of Bowundo or Pepsi or Coke, they will be ready to drink a coffee or tea. So coffee or tea can become a competitor. Otherwise, sir, there is no coffee, tea, there is no soft drinks, biscuits are there, cake is there, pizza is there. Sir, why don't you take biryani, sir? Out of 100, at least 5 people may divert because they enter into hotel, right? At the time, there will be impulse purchase will be there. I entered, I have some ego. Without consuming the Pepsi, I should not go. So I should take something. So, whatever the product, which is replacing my purchase can become a competitor. As you said, if it is directly related to the product, it can be a direct competitor. If I am buying something, chocolate or biscuit, whatever it may be, they can become a competitor. So when a question is asked to a CEO of a Coca-Cola, who is your first competitor? What might be the answer? Coca-Cola, Pepsi, they are the competitors, right? The first question, who is your first competitor? Any guesses?
People, sir.
I cannot speak
People's
to only
mind.
people. So I am speaking to 10.
As per you said, the whole market around.
Please tell me one
Yes, sir.
product he told.
One product.
Yes.
Juice,
What juice, sir?
sir. Liquid product, sir. Yeah.
Liquid product. Petrol, kerosene.
Which is consumable for humans, sir.
Sir, all the soft drinks, sir. Everything can be there, sir.
Okay. He said, water is my first competitor. Water is my first competitor. So he feels that everybody is going for taking soft drinks because their main objective is to come out of the thirst. If the water is there, nearly 50% of the people will take water. Only the people you look for a brand, look for a taste, look for a refreshment, will go for soft drinks. In the soft drink also there is a two classification, cold soft drink, normal soft drink. Correct? So he feels that water is a competitor. If the water is not there, then only they will think about a soft drink. When the soft drink is there, then I can brand. For example, you want to sell a 7-Up paints, have to brand more. Why not Masa? Why not Slice? Why not Mirinda? So I have to so see, for a 7-Up, who can be the competitor? All other flavors are the competitor. All liquid foods are the competitors. All other biscuits can be as a competitor. Because if my objective is to drink only drinks related, then all other soft drinks or cold drink or hot drink can be competitor. If my objective is to relax, just to relax mean, it can be any food. It can be anything. So competition is a very big environment. There's a lot of classification is there. Even a new product, even a substitute can be a competitor. So who can be a competitor for a laptop? I'm saying a product. Who can be a competitor for a laptop?
Mobile, sir. Mobile.
Mobile is a competitor. Tabletop PC is a competitor. Tab is a competitor. Yes?
iPad.
iPad is a competitor. So it doesn't mean that for a laptop should be a competitor. Calculator. For the calculator, who can be a competitor? Calculator.
Maths teacher. Oh.
Yes, very good. But we cannot sell Mac teacher.
Mobile phone also, sir.
Mobile phone is a competitor. Laptop is a competitor. So what are all the products which substitute calculating, which simplifies calculating? For example, if I am selling an abacus, so that time the calculator is not required. So even I can replace a service provider with a physical calculator. So you can understand competition is a very broad way. We will be mostly seeing this direct enemies. We will see only the direct enemies. There are many hidden, unexpected new enemies also that we will call as a competitors. Okay, so a competitive environment is very, very important because this competition environment is involved by all other environment. They also will be affected by social, cultural, ethical, etc. All other environment affects the competition also. If I have some competitive advantage, I will survive. If they have competitive advantage, they will survive. Okay, are you getting the points? Yes, with this can we close? We have only 3 more minutes. Yes, thank you friends. We'll continue.